I made an arbitrage with this coin you are seeing on top here, and today the price has actually skyrocketed. Yesterday the price was at 0.52. If you check my previous video, so right now the price has moved so crazy, which happens if you actually bought this coin or engaged in the arbitrage that I made yesterday, you would have made insane profit by now. So into this video I'm still going to show you another arbitrage, triangular arbitrage opportunity to use and make money for yourself. So without further ado, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like and share the video. Okay, please subscribe so that it will encourage me to be posting videos like this for free. Okay, so after this video, in my next video I'm going to show you how you can actually buy coin at least with 90% sure that you are going to make profit. Okay, so I still have so many updates that I'm about to share in the future. So all what you need to do is to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, very important, so that if I drop a video you get to notified. So that, because arbitrage like this lasts for a certain period of time, that is why you need to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that anytime I drop video like this you get notified and take the action very quick. Okay, today I want to show you how you can actually make money from triangular arbitrage. I have talked about triangular arbitrage a lot in my videos, so if you don't know what is triangular arbitrage, you can actually go to my previous videos and watch how you can actually make money from triangular arbitrage. So in this video I want to be very quick so that the opportunity will not go away, so that you can, if you have the money, you can actually go and implement it and make the money. Okay, so in this video I'm using Binance for this arbitrage, and Binance is very safe and trustworthy. Okay, you don't have to be scared of losing your money or your money being stolen. Okay, so first of all, if you want to engage in this kind of arbitrage, what I normally do in my own case is I'll come to Binance, click on Kenas here and click on view more. Once I click on view more, it's going to show me a lot of coins. It's going to show me a lot of coins here. So for instance, let me check, let me go with this one. Let me go with Nero. So okay, once I click on Nero, it's going to pop up like this. I click on more and click on compare to see if there is opportunity. Check. So there is no opportunity here. Let's go and check another one. Let's go and check another one. Sorry, let's click on these people. Okay, once you click on people, you click on compare. Let's see if there is opportunity here. Let's see this. Okay, actually there is opportunity here in people. We are going to buy USDT and swap it to BTC and swap it back to USDT and make money. Short and simple. That is it. So first of all, click on let's click on people USDT. So once I click on people USDT, another thing I need to look out for is the 24 hours trading volume, and you need to look out for the 24 hours trading volume so that there will be enough liquidity in order to execute this trade. Because if there is no liquidity, if there is no liquidity in the market, you will not be able to execute the trade, be it a market order or limit order. It won't be able to be executed. Once you have checked the liquidity and everything is intact, you now proceed. So what we need to do is now to buy. You want to buy, you can actually decide to use market order. To use market order means you are going to buy immediately. If you want to buy, these people you are seeing red, they are sellers. They are the one that will sell to you and you buy from them. Then if you want to sell, you are going to sell to these people that you are seeing on green here. They are the one that will buy and you sell to them. So that's just the difference between the red and the green green merchants here. So let's say we want to do this arbitrage with $200. Let's say $200. $200 is the same thing as 200 USDT. Don't be confused. So assuming you want to do this the $200, with your $200 you're going to receive 6,047.7 people. Let's copy the amount and we move to people BTC. You can see it here, people BTC. We click on people BTC. Here you are going to use limit, you are going to use um limit order. Yes, here you are going to use limit order. Make sure it's on limit order. Why am I saying you should leave it on limit order? So that you make profit. Just leave it there because it's going to be executed, because there is enough liquidity in the market. So what you need to do is, let's insert the amount we have. If we insert the amount of people we have here, we are going to receive 0.0019356 BTC. We copy the BTC, we copy the price, and all you need to do is we click on sell, click on BTC slash USDT. What are we going to do now? We are going to sell BTC back to USDT and see the profit we are going to make. We paste it. You see, if we carry out this arbitrage right now, we are going to make $2.01 as our profit. I always sound this to you. If you want to make this kind of arbitrage, make sure you have at least a minimum of 2 or 3 BNB as your as fee, so that anytime they want to charge you, they are going to charge from that BNB, and you are going to also enjoy 25% discount of it. Let's say, okay, for instance, we don't have the BNB now. Let's say we have made about $2 and $2.01. Let's say the fee is 0.8 cents. 0.8 cents from $2, you are going to be left with 1.2 cents. Let's say you make you are left, let's say you are left with 1.2 cents. Okay, let's go to our calculator. On our calculator here, let's say we have made $2 profit, and let's say we don't have BNB in our account, but it's advisable for you to have at least $2 worth of BNB. So let's say we have $2 in our account. Okay, $2 minus 0.8 cents, you are going to be left with $1.2. Then you can do this like 20 times, you can do this 10 times, you can do this 5 times. Let's say you do this minimum of 5 times, you make $6. So this arbitrage is unlimited. You can do it any time, any day. You can do it as far as the arbitrage is still existing. Okay, this way we are going to draw the end of the tutorial for today. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell for you to always get notified anytime I post new videos.